If you have the time, slow roasted pork belly is totally worth it. We tested out Gordon Ramsay's recipe to see how easy it is, and we learned a few things along the way. First things first, you'll need a piece of pork belly, which you can find at most butcher shops. Position the pork belly so the thick skin is facing up, then use a very sharp knife to cut diagonal slits all across the skin. Now rotate the pork belly and continue slicing to form little squares or diamonds. When you're done, generously sprinkle the skin with coarse sea salt and use your hands to really rub it into all the cracks you just created with your knife. This will help the skin to get really crispy in the oven. Now place a large roasting pan on your stove and heat up some olive oil. Add 1 roughly chopped fennel bulb, 3 whole peeled and smashed garlic cloves, fennel seeds, star anise, smashed cardamom pods, and bay leaves to the pan and stir everything together. Once that's cooked a little, place your pork belly skin side down in the pan. We want to sear the fat to seal in the flavor, so if there are vegetables underneath, you can just move them to the side with a spoon. After a little while, flip the pork belly over. As you can see, our pan was a bit too hot in the middle, so we didn't end up with an even sear, but don't worry, it all worked out. Top with a couple more sprinkles of fennel seeds, then allow the underside to sear a bit before pouring in white wine and chicken stock. The meat of the pork will slowly braise in the wine and stock while the skin gets really crispy in the oven. The liquid needs to come up to a boil before you can transfer the whole pan to a 350-degree oven for about 2.5 hours. Remove the pork and set aside to rest while you make a quick sauce from the roasting liquid. Just add some grainy mustard and stir it all together, and that's it, the sauce is done. To cut your pork belly, be sure to use a serrated knife. The skin should be super crispy, but the meat will be melt in your mouth succulent. Top with some of your sauce and you've got a perfect comforting meal. Hit that subscribe button for more delicious recipes.